And let's make our way into all fours, just being soft and sweet as you transition. No need to rush. Just really connect your hand to the floor, to the earth, spreading through the fingers. And let's begin in some child's pose spinal waves. So what you're going to do is walk your hands forward, almost to extended child's pose. And we're going to go ahead and sit back. So your hands will slide back towards you a bit. Drop the weight of the head into child's pose. And let's stay here for a couple of breaths. Just checking in with how we feel. Taking a couple of cleansing breaths and just notice how it spreads the shoulder blades with your inhale. Breathing in all that fresh air. And every exhale, you're releasing the weight of the day and just letting all that burden you carry on your shoulders and the weight of the world can just evaporate and disappear, sliding off the back, down the arms, onto the mat, out into the ether. No longer yours to carry. See how you're doing. Just try to press pause on any activity that's going on in your mind. All the responsibilities and to-do lists can wait for now, and let's just be present for ourselves. For the next few moments, the only thing that matters is this body and this breath. All right, now let's begin our spinal waves. You're going to let your breath move you. So it's the opposite of cat and cow. Your inhale is going to roll you up, lifting you up through cat pose, but you're going to come past your wrists. And then you're going to ripple the spine back. So bend into the elbows, coming back into child's pose. So inhale, roll forward, rippling the spine just past the wrists. Bend the elbows and then sit back into child's. Inhale, ripple the spine forward, almost to the top of an up dog or the top of a cobra, and then lean back. Now you can do these as fast or as slow, really controlled if you like, or really grand if you really want to do the top of a cobra. Please do. Make this your own. Every practice is what you make it and what you want it. So listen to what your body wants to do today. And give it what it wants. Give that gift to yourself. You deserve it. Do one more of these. Rippling forward, juicy stretch, really feeling that spinal release. And then go ahead and sit back into child's pose. Take a nourishing breath here, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Nice. Lift yourself up, lovingly walk your hands back towards you. We're going to do thread the needle. So bring your toes to touch, knees as wide as the mat. But this one we're going to do the thoracic rotation variation. So take your left hand below you. Right hand comes behind your ears. So as you inhale, you're going to open the elbow up to the sky. And then as you exhale, tap elbow to elbow. Inhale, open it up. Exhale, tap the elbow. Inhale, open. Exhale, tap it. Now keep going. This is a really awesome way to help the rotation in the mid-back. The thoracic portion of the spine is where the rib cage connects. So it is the most sturdy, but it is also the least flexible. So this is a great variation to really help your spinal mobility and your range of motion. Do the last one, tap it down, and then open it up, and this time reach for the sky. Let's do a big circle with the arm down and around, and then other direction. Now really reach and extend, and let's thread the needle. Come on down to the mat. Take your time lowering that right shoulder down to the earth. Take your left arm and take a bind behind your lower back, anchoring that right hand into the right hip flexor if you are able to reach there. Otherwise, maybe just hold on to your shirt and lift up your head and walk it away from the shoulder a bit. If you want to make this pose even more intense, you can extend the left leg out to the side off the mat, and that'll even help aid you in your rotation. So fire it up as much or as little as you desire today. Take a couple of nourishing breaths as we wring out the torso. Every breath is helping spring clean that body, helping us purge what we no longer need, letting the breath massage the internal organs. So good. All right, slowly come out of the pose, whichever variation you took. Taking your time, coming back on up, and then let's switch sides. Right hand replaces the left. Get yourself situated. Take that left hand and place it behind your ear. Inhale, open it up, gaze up. Exhale, close, tapping the elbow. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open it up. Exhale, close. Keep going, my friends. You are doing great. Just being loving and sweet to the rib cage, the spine, showing the body lots of love, and letting the day behind us simply dissolve. Just connecting to the breath and sending lots of love throughout the whole body. Okay, last one. Open it up, and this time go ahead and extend the arm up to the sky like you're reaching for the stars, and then do a big circle with the arm down and around, and then opposite direction. And you know what's next. Really reach for the ceiling and then thread the needle, being very soft and gentle as you lower that left shoulder down to the earth. And take your bind, if you like, and any variation that makes yourself happy. Do that now. Maybe extend the leg behind you or to your side. And deepen into the rotation with every exhale. And if you find any tension or any resistance, just meet yourself with grace. Yoga is called practice for a reason. It takes time to get into these poses in a deep manner. It's taken me a very long time to get to where I'm at because I've overcome a lot of injuries. So just know that your experience is completely personal to you and that you're doing great. You're here, you've shown up for yourself, and that's what matters. So keep it going, and we'll get stronger and keep practicing together, and in no time, we'll be able to get even deeper into these poses. So let's just enjoy the journey, shall we? It's been a beautiful one of self-discovery, that's for sure. I hope you're experiencing that too. I'd love to hear about your story, by the way, so please leave it in the comments. All right, my lovelies, let's slowly come out of the pose, unwinding from our bind, retracting that leg if you extended it, and then softly, lovingly coming back up. So good. All right, let's begin with some leg pulses. First, come into tabletop. We're going to shift our weight a bit into the right leg, and you're going to extend the left leg long. But this time, you're going to flex through the heel, and we're just going to do little pulses for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bend the knee and kick it up towards the sky. Little donkey kicks for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now heel to glute for 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now keep it there or go for tiger. You're going to now shift your weight over into that left hand. Take your right hand and grab that left foot and then kick into that left foot into your right hand, opening the chest for a juicy back bend. Stay here for a couple of breaths, really opening through the chest space, getting a deep thigh, deep quad stretch, and then gently release, bringing yourself back to neutral. And then let's do the other side. Go ahead and get your stability and then extend that right leg, but push through that heel. And let's do our pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bend the knee and kick it up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now kick your own booty for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Now let's go for tiger on this side. So we're going to shift the weight over into the right hand a bit. Take that left hand and go ahead and grab the right foot, kicking back and then gaze forward, really opening through the left side of the chest, combating any hunching of the shoulders, and really stretching through that right quad. Make sure your breath is even, that you're not holding it in. All right, gently release. Oh, that felt good. Go ahead and sit back for a well-deserved child's pose. And shift a little side to side. Spinal fluidity. Feels good in the hips too. That should have felt really nice if you were sitting all day and just needed a little workout. All right, my lovelies.